Managing sales, stock, and FBR invoices manually? Introducing HisabZaki, Pakistan's all-in-one POS and accounting software with real-time FBR integration.
You will get in this software smart POS billing, real-time inventory tracking, built-in accounting, FBR digital invoice, web and mobile access. You can generate manual invoice, Excel upload, QR code generation, real-time FBR sync.
Designed for wholesalers, dealers, distributors, importers, manufacturers. 24/7 support via WhatsApp, phone, and email. Free onboarding and Urdu English help. Start your free trial today